Hi. And I'm not doing nothing. Nothing today. So, today is the 10th of February 2010. And I am sitting in my room. And we have off tomorrow because of the snow blizzard. It's crazy. We were off Monday because of it. And now we're off today. And hopefully we have off tomorrow. Yep. It's really, really bad out there. Really bad. I'll show you. You want to see it? Because you'll see it. Put some light in. Open the window. Are you ready for this? Yep. Hold on. You see that? Do you see that? My neighbor's down there shoveling. It is a winter wonderland. It's crazy. Yeah. So, it's really cold. Shut the window. I have nothing to do today. Lots of homework. Don't feel like doing it. I just redid my room from the previous video I took. There's even flyer. Yeah. So, Sabrina Gabriel is calling me. Hold on. Hello. Hey. I'm actually making a video right now. Yeah, I was making a video and you was in it because you called me. Yes. She left. Yeah. Well, come over. Well, tell your mom to drive because it is blizzard now, Sabrina Gable. My bad. Let me go finish this video, okay? Bye. That was Sabrina. She is coming over my house with the snow blizzard. I have no makeup on. You see? Look, I just got this in the mail. And this is where I used to go to camp. It's really fun. I went there for soccer. I went there back in the day with my friends from grade school. Yeah. And I just ate macaroni and cheese and I finished it all. Because Mommy always told me I should finish my food. And I have to read a biography for school. And this is what I chose. Miley Cyrus, Miles to Go. I'm hoping it's a good book, even though I only read the first chapter. So, I guess I'm done. Thanks for watching. Peace.